Welcome to the Trashy Panda Life. Today we will be taking on the pumpkin pail lantern, except for I will be showing you how to do it for less than $5 with the Dollar Tree items and a Walmart pumpkin. The items needed are Walmart pumpkin, Dollar Tree's 12-pack of plastic party plates, pack of plastic cups, and the seasonal skull solar light also found at the Dollar Tree. Starting with the pumpkin, cut the handles off. I used wire dikes, but scissors will do. Next, grab your solar and pull it off of the stake. Then pull the face off of the light. Set that off to the side and remove the label from the stake. Next, we want to center the stake on the bottom of the pumpkin and trace the outline with a marker. You will need to cut the pumpkin with a razor on the line you've drawn. Once you have cut the hole, test fit to ensure the stake will go through the pumpkin. Now for the light. First, find the back center of the pumpkin and take the face of the skull and trace from cheekbone over the top to the other cheekbone. Remove the face and draw a straight line at the bottom, connecting where the outline stopped at the cheeks. Now take your razor and cut out your outline. With the light facing inside the pumpkin, push the solar panel from the inside through the pumpkin out in the upright position in hot glue. Try to fill in any gaps with hot glue to keep water out of the pumpkin. If the white of the solar light bothers you, you can paint it. The next step is to secure the stake into the pumpkin by hot gluing it by the in and outside of the pumpkin, making sure it's straight while gluing. The plastic plates are very thin and are heat sensitive, so run a bead of hot glue around the top of the pumpkin and place the plate upside down on the pumpkin. At this point, you can call it finished or embellish. I added a black cup to make the plate look like a hat. I will be creating a video soon that will be a unique and playful take on this trend. Thank you for your time, and if you enjoyed this video, please think about giving it a like and possibly subscribing.